You might have heard this term IELTS or IELTS, but then you might not have an idea about it, and you might see people going for the coaching centers and studying hard for it. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you what exactly this is and what is the format of this IELTS. Why should you learn it and why should you have the certificate of IELTS? And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a bonus tip where you can prepare yourself without any coaching centers, without the help of any other people. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jai, watching me on the Expound. If you like my work, make sure you like this video and subscribe my channel also. This will give me a little bit of motivation in making more videos for you. Basically, IELTS is International English Language Testing System. Normally, when you are going abroad for your higher studies or for work or for residing in that country, the basic necessity which you should need to survive is to know the native language which is spoken in that country. This is the reason why IELTS is. This is the reason why you should take this test. If you want to go abroad for higher studies, or if you want to work, or if you want to get experience in a specific sector, you need to take this test, because since the English is spoken around the globe, especially countries like New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, UK, US, Germany, you need to take this test, because then only you will be admitted or you are allowed in the specific college. So if you take an example of college in Germany, they will definitely need a score, or you can say the band around 6.5. If you're lesser than this, you cannot take admission in that specific college. So you have to take this test if you want to go for a higher studies or work in a specific sector. You can go to the nearby city where the IELTS coaching centers are present for a coaching. You can even study without the coaching centers also. So now the IELTS is conducted by Cambridge, and apart from that, two organizations which is organizing this IELTS, which is IDP and then British Council. There is not much big difference between these two, but then you can apply your self in any of these two organizations. So you can just go to the nearby organization. You can even apply it in website, but if you apply in website, you will get test materials after a few days, but then if you directly go and register yourself, you will get that with your hand. Now, why do you want to attend this IELTS exam? For higher studies or for some other purpose? Mention it down in the comment. IELTS fees differ for countries, so if you want to take this course, you need to spend approximately more than 6,000 in order to take this test. The validity of this course from IELTS lasts for 2 years. Now talking about the format of the IELTS exam. There are two categories in IELTS. The first one is academic and the next one is general. So if you want to go to abroad for higher studies, then you can select the academic, and if you're going for jobs or if you want to work in abroad, you can select the general training one. So in this two category, it is divided into 4 parts, which is listening, speaking, writing and reading. So the listening and speaking are quite same. There is not much difference in academic and general training, but in reading and writing, there is quite difference. So when you are going to attend the test, listening, reading and writing, you have to attend this together. And whereas this speaking skills, you can attend after 7 weeks of the listening, speaking and writing, or within the 7 days. The listening part is provided because when you're going to college or when you are residing in that country, whatever people are talking to you, you should be able to understand what they are talking. So there are 4 parts in listening. The first part is going to be an easy one, but the fourth one, the third one, that's going to be quite difficult. So you will be given 40 minutes. In that 40 minutes, the audio will be played to you. For the 30 minutes, you have to listen to that audio and think about the answer. And the 30 to 40 minutes, you have to start writing down the answers in the answer sheet. Next one is reading. You will be provided around 60 minutes for this, and there are 3 parts in reading. The first one is going to be easy, but the third one is going to be a little difficult one. So if you check in the academic category, the question is going to be difficult and the paragraph is going to be quite long compared to the general training category. So this consists of 40 questions and you won't be getting any extra 10 minutes to write down the answer. So you have to just write down the answers in that 40 minutes itself. And for writing, you are given 16 minutes alone for this. So this is also divided into 2 categories. The first one is letter and essay for general training, and for academic, summary and essay. So in general training, the letters can be formal, informal, and on the other side, essay, you will be given a topic and you have to write an essay on that topic. That should be around 250 words. The time given for this is 40 minutes. And for academic, you will be given a summary or you will be given a graph or diagram, some pictorial representation which you need to explain about it as a summary. You should write 150 words, and for this alone you will get 20 minutes, and for the letter also in general category you will get 20 minutes for writing a letter. And the final category is speaking. So this is going to be a quite difficult one compared to all the 3 parts, which is reading, writing and listening. So this is just like a one-on-one conversation between you and the staff member. So the first question they will ask you is to give a self-introduction about you and to tell something about your personality. And the second question is going to be, they are going to ask you to tell them some of the incident or some of the situation which happened in your life. So you just have to continuously talk for a few minutes. So they will judge you from the way you're talking, and the next question is going to be on that paragraph or the incident or whatever things you have told for the second question. Now it's time for a bonus tip. So I have told you that you can learn without the coaching centers also, but the only advantage of going to the coaching center is that you will be provided with extra materials. So what you can do is you can search on the internet about the questions related to IELTS exam. I hope that there will be lots and lots of question papers, the exercises which will be available from that website. You can take that and start preparing by yourself. And talking about the speaking skills, you will be only able to attend it well if you prepare well or if you are talking English good. So it's not necessary that you have to go for the coaching centers. It's not necessary, because if you're able to do on your own, if your English is quite good, then you can prepare by yourself. Then if you are totally not good in English, then I would request you to go to the coaching center, because that will be beneficial for you. So when coming to the speaking skills, if you're not able to do it properly with the persons who are staying with you, you can check that video where I have told about an app where you can talk with strangers without disclosing your personal information. I hope that's going to be really helpful for you. You can check that out and start preparing yourself also. So thank you so much for watching it till the end. If you came till the end of the video, thank you so much with my whole heart, and tell me how was the video if you have watched till the end. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me something in the comment regarding some doubts or whatever things you feel. Thank you so much. Until the next video.